Next, eighth problem. X into dy by dx minus y plus x into sin of y by x is equal to 0. Solution. Given equation is x into dy by dx. Take these two terms to right hand side is equal to y minus x into sin of y by x. From this dy by dx is equal to, divide with x, we get y by x minus sin of y by x. Clearly this is a function in terms of y by x. Let it be equation 1. Therefore equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation. Put y is equal to v into x, then dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Substitute these values in equation 1. From equation 1, what is dy by dx? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to y by x. Y by x is v minus sin v. Here v and v cancel. X into dv by dx is equal to minus sin v. Separate the variables x and v. Write it as dv by sin v is equal to minus dx by x. 1 by sin v, that is taken as cosecant v, and integrating, integral of cosecant v dv is equal to integral dx by x. Integral cosecant v log mod cosecant v minus cot v is equal to, this is log x minus log x plus take constant log c. This is taken as log of c by x. Log m minus log n, log m by n. Now remove the logarithms, we get cosecant v minus cot v is equal to c by x. Cosecant v 1 by sin v, cot v cos v by sin v, c by x. What is the LCM here? Sin v. In numerator we get 1 minus cos v is equal to c by x. That implies on cross multiplying we get c into sin v is equal to x into 1 minus cos v, 1 minus cos. But what is v? V is y by x. So c into sin of y by x is equal to x into 1 minus cos of y by x. Next, ninth, y into dx plus x into log of y by x into dy minus 2x into dy is equal to 0. Write this equation as y dx is equal to, take these two terms to right hand side, this minus becomes plus 2x into dy minus x into log of y by x into dy. Take dy common, dy into 2x minus x into log of y by x. From this, dy by dx is equal to y by 2x minus x into log of y by x. Okay, take x common here, y by x into 2 minus log of y by x. Let it be equation 1. Okay, this is taken as y by x by 2 minus log of y by x. Clearly this is a function in terms of y by x. So therefore equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation output y is equal to vx, then dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Therefore from equation 1, dy by dx, that is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, this equation are same. Okay, y by x is v by 2 minus log v. Take this v to that side, x into dv by dx is equal to v by 2 minus log v minus v. Take LCM and simplify. X into dv by dx is equal to, what is LCM here? 2 minus log v. In numerator, v minus 2v plus v log v. V minus 2v minus v plus log v by 2 minus log v. Okay, now separate the variables x and v. We get 2 minus log v by, we take minus common here, write it as minus of v minus log v is equal to into dv is equal to dx by x. Now take this minus to right hand side. Here there is v into log v, v into log v minus v into log v, 2 minus log v, take v common, v into 1 minus log v is equal to into dv is equal to dx by x. Now integrating, there is a minus term here, there is minus here, take this minus into bracket, integral of 2 minus log v by v into log v minus 1 into dv is equal to integral dx by x. You observe the integration here. In numerator 2 is taken as 1 plus 1 minus log v, 2 is written as 1 plus 1 by v into log v minus 1 into dv is equal to integral dx by x. Now divide separately. Integral of first term we write it as 1 by v by log v minus 1. Next second term, if you take minus common here, this term and this term are become same, minus of 1 by v into dv. If you take minus common, it becomes log v minus 1, this and this cancel, plus into minus minus 1 by v dv, integral dx by x. Now integrating, see here, numerator is the derivative of denominator, derivative of log v 1 by v. If numerator is derivative of denominator, its integration is log of denominator, log of log v minus 1 minus second part, integral 1 by v log v is equal to log x plus log c. It is in the form of log m minus log n, that is log of m by n, log v minus 1 by v. Here RHS, log m plus log n, log m into n, c into x. Now remove the logarithms, we get log v minus 1 by v is equal to cx. On cross multiplying, log v minus 1 is equal to v into cx. Okay, now what is v? V is y by x, log of y by x. Take this minus v to right hand side, 1 plus c into v into x, that is y. Initially we put y is equal to v into x. So the solution is log y by x is equal to 1 plus c into y. Next, 10th one. 1 plus e power x by y into dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy is equal to 0. See here, clearly this is a function in terms of x by y. It is not a function in terms of y by x. It is a function in terms of x by y. All terms are in x by y. So write it as 1 plus e power x by y into dx is equal to, take this term to right hand side. It becomes minus e power x by y into dx. Take this minus into bracket. We get e power x by y into x by y minus 1 into dx into dy. Here it is dy. So from this dx by dy is equal to e power x by y into x by y minus 1 by 1 plus e to the power of x by y. See here, it is a function in terms of x by y, not in terms of y by x. It is RHS is a function in terms of x by y. Let it be equation 1. Clearly, it is a function in terms of x by y, g of x by y. Now, equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation. Equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation. It is a second type of differential equation. The first type is dy by dx is equal to some function in terms of y by x. Second type is dx by dy is equal to some function in terms of x by y also. It is also a differential homogeneous differential equation. Here I put x is equal to v into y, not y is equal to v into x. Put x is equal to v into y. Taking derivative with respect to y, dx by dy is equal to v into derivative with respect to y, derivative of y 1 plus y into dv by dy. Now substitute these values in equation 1. Therefore, from equation 1, dx by dy v plus y into dv by dy, that is equal to x is equal to v into y, then x by y is equal to v, e power v into v minus 1 by 1 plus e power v. Take this v to right hand side. Y into dv by dy is equal to take LCM, e power v into v minus e power v minus v e power v. Here plus v e power v minus v e power v cancel. we take minus common, we get e power v plus v by 1 plus e power v. This is y into dv by dy is equal to. Now separate the variables and integrate. Here you observe the substitution. If the given differential equation is dy by dx is equal to function of y by x, you take y is equal to vx. If it is dx by dy is equal to function of x by y, use the substitution x is equal to v into y. Separating the variables, 1 plus e power v by e power v plus v into dv is equal to minus dy by y. Now integrating. Clearly numerator is derivative of denominator. Derivative of e power v, derivative of v 1. So its integration is log of e power v plus v is equal to minus log y plus take the constant as log c. Okay, this is in the form of log m minus log n, log of m by n, c by y. Now remove the logarithms. What we get? E power v plus v is equal to c by y. But what is v? V from this v is x by y. E power x by y plus x by y is equal to c by y. Now cross multiply with y into e power x by y plus x is equal to c. Write the next problem, 11. X plus y into dy plus x minus y into dx is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. Okay, what is the given equation? Is x plus y into dy is equal to, take this term to right hand side, it becomes minus of x minus y into dx, or it is y minus x into dx. From this dy by dx is equal to y minus x by x plus y, y minus x by x plus y. Now let it be equation 1. Now here we take x common from numerator and denominator, that x and x cancel, we get y by x minus 1 by 1 plus y by x. Take x common from numerator and denominator, that x cancel. Clearly it is a function in terms of y by x. Clearly it is a function in terms of y by x. Therefore, equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation. Now put y is equal to v into x, then dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Substitute these values in equation 1. Therefore, from equation 1, dy by dx, what is dy by dx? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to, this equation are same, y by x. What is y by x? Y is equal to v by vx. Y by x is v minus 1 by 1 plus v. Now x into dv by dx is equal, take this v to right hand side, minus, what is the LCM here? 1 plus v. In numerator we get v minus 1 minus v into 1 plus v, minus v square. Here plus v minus v cancel. X into dv by dx is equal to, take minus common in numerator, minus of one plus v square by 1 plus v. Now separate the variables. 1 plus v by v square plus 1 into dv is equal to minus dx by x. Once the variables are separated, now integrate. Integral of by x. Now divide separately. Integral of 1 by v square plus 1 plus v by v square plus 1 into dv is equal to integral dx by x minus of. Now integrating, separate the integration. Integral 1 by v square plus 1 dv plus integral v by v square plus 1 dv is equal to it is in the form of integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx, that is tan inverse x. Here x is v, tan inverse v. See here, what is the derivative of this denominator? 2v, but there is v. So multiply and divide this with 2. Then numerator is the derivative of denominator. Its integration, log of that denominator, log v square plus 1 is equal to minus log x plus, take constant as log c or c also. You may take any constant, plus c also. Now take the value v. What is v? Y by x. So tan inverse of y by x plus 1 by 2 into log of y by x whole square, y square by x square plus 1 is equal to minus log x plus c. This is the solution. But what are the conditions given here? Given y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. Given y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1. Substitute these values of x and y in this. Let it be equation 2. From equation 2, tan inverse, put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Tan inverse 1 plus 1 by 2 into log of 1 by 1, 1 plus 1 log 2 is equal to minus log 1 plus c. Tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4, plus 1 by 2 into log 2. Log 1 is 0. This is equal to c. C value is pi by 4 minus plus 1 by 2 into log 2. Substitute c value in equation 2. This is also from equation 2. From equation 2, tan inverse y by x plus 1 by 2 into log of y square by x square plus 1 is equal to minus log x plus c. What is c? Pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 log 2. 1 by 2 into log 2. Or it is further simplified. Write it as tan inverse y by x 1 by 2 into log of, what is the LCM here? X square. It becomes log of y square plus x square by x square is equal to minus log x plus pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 log 2. This is tan inverse of y by x. It is in the form of log m minus log m by n, that is log m minus log n 1 by 2 into log y square plus x square minus log x square. Log x square is taken as 2 log x is equal to minus log x plus pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 log 2. Take this 1 by 2 into bracket. We get tan inverse y by x plus 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square. 1 by 2, 2 cancel. We get minus log x. This is also minus log x. Both are cancelled. So this is equal to pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 log 2. In LHS there is my 1 by 2 into minus 2. 2 cancel, minus log x. Here it is minus log x. Both are cancelled. Next, 12th, x square into dy plus xy plus y square into dx is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. Here also we find the solution of this equation and then put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 in that solution to find the value of c. Given equation is taken as x square into dy is equal to minus of into dx. Take this term to right hand side. From this, dy by dx is equal to minus of by x square. Let it be equation 1. Here divide with x square separately. X cancel. Y by x plus y square by x square or y by x whole square. Clearly this is a function in terms of y by x. Therefore equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation. So, you put y is equal to v into x, then dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Substitute these values in equation 1. Therefore, from equation 1, dy by dx, what is dy by dx? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to this equation are same. Y by x is v minus v plus v square take this v to right hand side, x into dv by dx is equal to minus v square minus v. Take this v to that side, it is minus 2v minus v square minus v square, or take v common, or minus v common, minus v into 2 plus v. Now separate the variables x and v. dv by v into 2 plus v is equal to minus dx by x. Okay, once the variables are separated, now integrating, integral of 1 by is equal to integral dx by x. Now write it as 1 by 2 into integral 2 by v into 2 plus v into dv. Why we multiply with 2? Here what are the terms in denominator? V and 2 plus v. Difference of these two terms is v. Then we split into partial fractions. This is 1 by 2 into integral of write this 2 as 2 plus v minus v. V cancel, there is 2 by v into 2 plus v into dv. Here we see what are the terms in denominator v and 2 plus v. For split into partial fractions, you multiply and divide with 2. Otherwise, by taking this is equal to a by v plus b by 2 plus v, then also we get the partial fractions by x. Now divide separately. 1 by 2 into integral of, in first term 2 plus v cancel, 1 by v. In second term v cancel, 1 by 2 plus v into dv is equal to dx by x. Now integrating. One by 2 into what is integral 1 by v? Log v minus log of 2 plus v. It is also in the form of integral 1 by x is equal to, or cross multiply 2, minus 2 into cross multiply, we get minus 2 into integral dx by x log x plus or write the constant as log c also. Here actually there are logarithm terms. To remove the logarithms, you write the constant as log c. LHS, it is in the form of log m minus log n, log of m by n, v by 2 plus v is equal to, it is log m minus log n, you write it as log x square, that is log of m by n, c by x square. Now remove the logarithms, we get v by 2 plus v is equal to c by x square. Okay. Now v is equal to 2 plus v into c by x square. But what is v? Y by x. Y by x is equal to 2 plus y by x into c by x square. Y is equal to, what is the LCM here? X, this x and x cancel, 2x plus y into c by x square, or x square into y is equal to 2x plus y into c. Okay, what are the given values of x and y? Given y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. Substitute these two values here. Let it be equation 2. From equation 2, x is 1, y is 1, LHS 1 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 into c. From this c value is 1 by 3. Okay, substitute c value in equation 2. From equation 2, x square into y is equal to 2x plus y, c is 1 by 3. On cross multiplying, 3x square y is equal to 2x plus y. This is the solution. 13th x into sine square y by x minus y into dx plus x into dy is equal to 0, y is equal to pi by 4 when x is equal to 1. Given equation is x into sine square y by x minus y into dx is equal to minus x into dy. Take this term to right hand side. From this dy by dx is equal to x into sine square y by x minus y by minus x. In numerator we take minus common, it becomes y minus x sine square y by x by x. Take minus common, minus and minus get cancelled. Divide separately. Dy by dx is equal to y by x minus sine square y by x. Clearly it is a function in terms of y by x. So equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation. If put y is equal to v into x, then dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Substitute these values in equation 1. From equation 1, dy by dx, that is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to RHS y by x. Y by x is v minus sine square v. Here v and v cancel. X into dv by dx is equal to minus sine square v. Okay, write it as dv by sine square v is equal to dx by x minus of. Clearly the variables x and v are separated. Now on integrating we get the solution. Integral of 1 by sine square v, that is taken as cosecant square v into dv. Now integrate. Integral cosecant square v minus cot v is equal to minus log x plus log c. Here there is no logarithm term, so you take the constant as c only, plus c. Okay, but what is v here? V is y by x, so minus cot y by x is equal to minus log x plus c. This is the solution. Here y is pi by 4 when x is equal to 1, given y is equal to pi by 4 when x is equal to 1. Substitute these two values, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to pi by 4. Y pi by 4 by 1 pi by 4, cot pi by 4 1, minus 1 is equal to log 1 value is 0, so c is equal to minus 1. Substitute c value here, so we get minus cot y by x is equal to minus log x minus 1. Take minus common and cancel. Cot of y by x is equal to 1 plus log x. Or further we write log 1 as log e base e, or write it as cot of y by x is equal to 1 is taken as log e plus log x. So that is log m plus log n, log m into n, e into x. Generally 1 is taken as log e to the base e, so write it as log ex to the base e. dy by dx minus y by x plus cosecant y by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. Here also find the solution of this differential equation and then put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. See here, given equation is taken as dy by dx is equal to, take these two terms to right hand side, y by x minus cosecant y by x. Clearly it is a function in terms of y by x. This is some function in terms of y by x. Let it be equation 1. So equation 1 is homogeneous equation. Put y is equal to vx. Write these steps. Equation 1 is homogeneous differential equation. Put y is equal to vx. Then dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Substitute these values in equation 1. From equation 1, dy by dx, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y by x. Y by x is v minus cosecant v and v cancel, x into dv by dx is equal to minus cosecant v. Okay, here separate the variables. Dv by cosecant v is equal to minus dx by x. Now integrating, integral of 1 by cosecant v, that is taken as sin v dv, integral sin v minus cos v is equal to minus log x plus c. Generally, if there is logarithm term in LHS, you take the constant as log c, otherwise take it as c. Here there is no restriction on constant c, you may take either c or log c. Okay, what is v value? V is y by x minus cos y by x is equal to minus log x plus c. Let it be equation 2. What are the values of x and y? Given y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. Substitute these two values in equation 2. From equation 2, 0 by 1, that is 0, cos 0 1 minus 1 is equal to log 1 is 0 c. So c is equal to minus 1. Substitute c value in equation 2, we get minus cos y by x is equal to minus log x minus 1. Take minus common and remove. So we get cos of y by x is equal to 1 plus log x. One plus log x. Here it is cos. Or write 1 as log e. Log e plus log x. Log m plus log n. Log m into n. This is equal to log of e into x. So cos y by x is equal to log of e into x. That is the solution. Next 15th. Two xy plus y square minus 2x square into dy by dx is equal to 0. Y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 1. Okay, given equation 2xy plus y square, take this minus term to right hand side, is equal to 2x square into dy by dx. From this, dy by dx is equal to 2xy plus y square by 2x square. Okay, now divide separately. What we get in first term, 2 cancel, x times cancel, y by x plus 1 by 2 into y square by x square or y by x whole square. Clearly it is a function in terms of y by x. let it be equation 1. So 1 is homogeneous equation. Put y is equal to Vx. Then dy by dx is equal to V plus x into dV by dx. Okay, substitute these values in equation 1. From equation 1, dy by dx, that is V plus x into dV by dx is equal to y by x. What is y by x? V. V plus 1 by 2 into V square or V square by 2. Now V and V cancel. X into dV by dx is equal to V square by 2. Now separate the variables x and V. Write it as 2 into dV by V square is equal to dx by x. Now integrate. 2 into 1 by V square is taken as V power minus 2 into dV is equal to integral dx by x. Apply the formula integral x power n into dx, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here x is V, V to the power of n plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by minus 1 is equal to log x plus c. Take it as c. This is minus 2 by V power minus 1 by V is equal to log x plus c. But what is V? Y by x. V is y by x. This x goes to numerator. It becomes minus 2x by y is equal to log x plus c. What are the values given here? Y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 1. Given y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. Substitute these values in this equation. Let it be equation 2. From equation 2, put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. LHS minus 2 into x1 by y is 2 is equal to x is 1, log 1 value 0. So c is equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus from the equation 2, substitute c value minus 2x by y is equal to log x c is minus 1. Or from this y is equal to, take minus common here, 1 minus log x, minus minus cancel, 2x by 1 minus log x. Here in any problem the procedure is common. First of all we check whether it is homogeneous or not. Once if it is homogeneous, use the substitution y is equal to v into x. When conditions are given, based on the conditions find the value of c. Next to 16th. A homogeneous differential equation of the form dy by dx is equal to h into h of xy, dx by dy is equal dx by dy is equal to h of x by y can be solved by making the substitution, by which substitution this equation dx by dy is equal to h of x by y can be solved. Observe that this is of second kind, dx by dy is equal to some function in terms of x by y. So we use the substitution, put x is equal to v into y. Here 4 options are given. In this option C is correct. Option C is x is equal to v into y. Just it is an objective problem. Which substitution we applied to solve this equation? If it is in the form of dy by dx is equal to a function in terms of y by x, we use the substitution y is equal to v into x. Next, 17th, the last problem. Which of the following is a homogeneous differential equation? Following is a homogeneous differential equation. Here 4 options are given. Option A, option B, option C, option D, out of these 4 options, which is homogeneous differential equation? Generally, homogeneous differential equation means the powers are same. Powers are same. See the first equation. Here, what is the degree of x? 1, 1. Here there is no x and y terms. Degree is 0. So it is not a homogeneous equation. See this one. What is the degree of x? 1, y 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Degree of this first part is 2. Here degree is 3. Degrees are not same. So it is not homogeneous. Option C, x cube plus y cube. Degree is 3 here. Here degree is 1 plus 1, 2. Degrees are not same. This is also not a homogeneous. Option D, degree of y is 2. Here degree 2, 1 plus 1, 2. Here is 2. So degrees are same. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. See, you write this equation 4 as x square minus xy minus y square into dy is equal to minus y square into dx, or dy by dx is equal to minus y square by x square minus xy minus y square. Observe the powers. It is in the degree of this is 2, degree of denominator is also 2. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. In any homogeneous differential equation, the powers are same. When the powers are same, then it is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, with this problem, these differential equations are completed.